Welcome to Excel 2010 Top 5 Tips. I'll be showing you how to create a quick auto sum displaying formulas, named ranges, data validation rules, and creating a very quick chart. Let's say you have a simple set of information that you need to sum. Rather than creating a formula from scratch, you can simply select the data range, and on your Home tab, choose your Auto Sum button to instantly calculate your formulas. There are other options in your drop-down box as well. You could then use your Control tilde on your keyboard as a keyboard toggle to display all of your raw formulas in the entire spreadsheet, which is helpful if you have an error or if you need to get a behind-the-scenes look at your formulas. It also prints exactly like this so that you could use it as a training tool for others. An easy way to reference large sets of data in a formula is to use named ranges. For example, if I select this range under quarter 1, I could use the name box and type in QTR_1. I'm using the underscore because Excel doesn't like spaces in a named range. I'll press Enter to lock that in. Then on sheet 2 or anywhere in this file, I can use that named range in a calculation. I'll use equal sum, and there's my quarter_1, and I can use that in a formula for calculation much faster. Another great tool in Excel is data validation rules. You can create a drop-down box with sort of a multiple choice. We'll use region as an example. And this can really cut down on room for error. If I select this range and on my ribbon choose my Data tab, over to Data Validation, in the Allow drop-down, we're going to choose List. And in the source box, I simply type in my options and separate them by a comma. And there you'll see those are displayed in the drop-down as sort of a multiple choice. Another option that you have, especially for a lengthier list, is to use a named range to create your data validation. For example, on sheet 3, I already have a list of departments. I'm going to name these DEPT, and I'll press Enter to lock that in. To create my data validation rule, all I have to do is select the range, open my data validation box, and of course we're going to choose List again. But in the source box this time, I'm going to use equal and the name of my range. You'll see now that drop-down list pulls the full scale of that named range much faster than typing them in individually. My personal favorite keyboard shortcut in Excel is used to create a chart. To create a chart in Excel, you can simply select the data range and on your keyboard, choose the F11 key. It displays a beautiful column chart on a different sheet. And if you don't prefer the column chart, on your ribbon you can choose Change Chart Type, where there are multiple options to choose from. You can even change your default chart as well. One more keyboard shortcut for the chart. If you decide, you can use your Alt F1 to create a chart on the same sheet as your data. I hope you will be able to use some of these wonderful Excel shortcuts to allow you to work smarter and not harder. Thanks for watching.